Okay. So, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Nico from SuperMap. So, and as always, I'm pleased to be the presence of the professional students and the JS enthusiasts today. And also, I would like to thank the Sabah University of Sri Lanka, the Faculty of Geomatics, for this opportunity to present SuperMap and the latest GIS technologies. And I also thank Dr. Thanka for your support. So I hope after the 4-day training, you have been interested in SuperMap technology and be encouraged to use and share the software with your friends and classmates. So as the Chin said, you can submit your work to Google Classroom via LE or send it directly to Chin. And with these works, you can participate in the SuperMap International GIS contest. Then you have the chance to win $500 and a free trip to Beijing. So SuperMap now is promoting the markets worldwide. And now we are hiring employees and interns in Sri Lanka, Philippines, and Middle East countries. So the interested candidates may kindly email the updated resume to me, and I will write my email address in the chat box. And also you can reach me on the LinkedIn. So the webinar is just one of the many events and opportunities for collaboration that SuperMap will bring you. So hope to meet you again in the next webinar. And thank you. So looking forward to seeing your excellent works. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, dear madam. So that was Ms. Nicole from SuperMap Corporation Limited, the manager, International Business Center of SuperMap. So she has been to our university before 3 years. And so now we have come to the verge of our workshop. So I will cordially invite Dr. GSN Pereira to do the vote of thanks, as this is the end of our workshop series. Sir, it's over to you.
Many thanks, Pavasana. Hello. Hello.
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, okay, thank you. Many thanks, Pavasana. Dean of the faculty, the colleagues, students, and delegates, you all are welcome to this final day and the closing remarks this session. Actually, nearly 7 hours in 4 days, we have taken part in the workshop on spatial analysis and mapping with SuperMap. And today, we are happy to announce to you that we have successfully completed it with over 300 average participants. I think many of you learned new tools, analysis strategies, and definitely 3D scene analysis and the power of SuperMap for analyzing the third dimension of features, and also network analysis might catch your eye. I am sure as a whole, almost all the participants will be benefited by the program. Now, let me move to the duty entrusted to me. Being the faculty coordinator of the International Conference of Sabaragamu University of Sri Lanka 2021, it is my privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this occasion. Mr. PGV Aberatna, Dean, Faculty of Geomatics, inaugurated the session, actually the workshop. Indeed, sir, you gave a continuous guidance and support to make the event a success. On behalf of the organizers, I express my sincere gratitude to you, sir. Next, I wish to express our deepest gratitude to Professor Chandrika Disanayake, Director, Center for Research and Knowledge Dissemination, CRKD, of Sabaragamu University of Sri Lanka, the one who holds the leading rank of the ICSCL 2021. And the conference committee, including Dr. Inoka Kudavidanage, the conference chair, co-chairs, joint secretariats, and the chairperson of all 4 subcommittees for the valuable support that they gave throughout the workshop and prior to it. Actually, ICSCL 2021 provided the necessary financial assistance for conducting this pre-conference workshop smoothly. A special thank goes to Professor Chandrika, Director CRKD, Professor Chandramali, Chairperson of the Scientific Subcommittee, Dr. Pubudu and Dr. Sugishwari, Joint Secretariats of the ICSCL 2021 for your contribution and words. As the Sabaragamu University of Sri Lanka, we are grateful to SuperMap Software Corporation Limited, China, for providing the facility, personnel, and dedication to smoothly run the program at a high standard. Our thank also goes to Mr. Jason and Ms. King for the dedication and sharing their expert knowledge on SuperMap with all participants. Ms. Nicole Chen, your contribution and continuous support you gave us for organizing the event is gratefully appreciated and acknowledged. And on behalf of the Faculty of Geomatics, I must thank you, Nicole, and SuperMap Software Corporation China for agreeing to collaboratively work in the future and giving support to disseminate this workshop as an annual event of the Faculty of Geomatics in future as well. We express our sincere gratitude to the staff of Center for Computer Studies for their continuous technical support to make this event a success. Mr. Dangalla, Director of the Center for Computer Studies of Sabaragamu University of Sri Lanka, and his team, including Mr. Nimishan, Mr. Sadeepa, Ms. Udeshika, Mr. Nuwan, and Mr. Sanjeeva, your support is really appreciated. An event like this will not happen overnight. And the wheel started rolling several days, actually several weeks ago. It requires planning and bird's eye for all details. The faculty and ICSCL 2021 are fortunate to be backed by a team of very motivated and dedicated colleagues. I thank everyone for extending their willingness to undertake various responsibilities to make this event a success. Further to that, as the faculty coordinator, my heartfelt thanks should go to the members of the faculty web and publicity subcommittee, including Mr. Dilshan, Mr. Charit, Mr. Tunendran, Mr. Gayan, and Mr. Dinukar. Your technical support is invaluable and really appreciated. Of the team, I must specially thank to Mr. Charit, Ms. Pabasana and Ms. Rasanjali. You have added a beauty and professional standard to the workshop. I must thank you as well. I thank all the delegates, faculty staff members, including administrative and supportive, and registered participants of this program for showing their interest to actively take part in this program. Once again, thank you very much to all for your interest and attention. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Dear participants, thank you for your continuous participation. So we think keep in touch with ICSUSL 2020 program till December, because it is always open to local and international students. So in the meantime, you can work on the areas that we have discussed throughout the entire series of forum. So your dedication will be rewarded. So we are going to wrap up the session. Stay safe and thank you very much.